Today, we're going to repair a BMW ID7 instrument cluster which often gets damaged. Cluster will switch off few seconds after booting up. Now let's check the current. The instrument cluster lights up normally. The current is around 1A. After a while though, the current will drop, and then the instrument cluster will go black. As we can see now, the instrument cluster has already gone black. The current has dropped to 37 milliamperes, which is the current of our test platform. Now let's try to repair it and find out where the problem is. We've taken it apart now. Let's take a look after disassembling. Probably the CPU has been resoldered before. Most of the ID7 instrument clusters that come to us for a second repair have already had their CPU resoldered by someone else. But it didn't solve the problem. Let's remove this board to check where the root issue lies. This CPU has also been resoldered. There's residual flux left. It looks like quite a lot of work has been done on this instrument cluster. You can see signs of resolder here. For this BMW ID7 instrument cluster, when it has intermittent black screen issues, we can try reflashing the eMMC. With good data, a lot of work was done on this instrument cluster clearly. Resoldering, and all the supposed fixes. But it still doesn't work. Since this is a second repair, we try something else. We'll write a set of initialization data and test it with the new data. Okay, now let's plug in the platform connector to test. We'll wait for about 2 minutes. If there's no issue, then we've fixed the problem. Previously, it would restart and go black after just a few seconds, speeding up the process. So far, we've waited about 2 minutes and the instrument cluster hasn't gone black or restarted. So we've successfully repaired this instrument cluster. If you need this solution or a test platform like ours, contact my supercar expert.